Hey everyone, hello and welcome to Jagdamba Pearl Gold and Diamond. In today's video, we are going to see some statement finger rings which are a perfect fit for engagement and also gifting purposes because they are so trendy and stylish. The best part of the video is I will be telling you the weight and also the price of these finger rings. So stay tuned till the end of this video while I show you these beautiful finger rings one by one. Starting with the first diamond finger ring, here is a one like this. In the center you can see a very big size diamond, and towards the sides you can see this kind of small diamonds, cluster of diamonds towards the outer circumference and also towards the side. It is made of white gold here, like you can see pure 18 karat gold is used. And the best part about jewelry at Jagdamba Pearl Gold and Diamond is you get IGI certificate on all the diamond jewelry which is sold here. And coming to the product specifications of this beautiful finger ring, the gross weight of this is 6.070 gram, net weight is 5.939 gram, and diamonds weight here is 0.655 carat approximately, like you can see, and the price of this is 53,000 rupees only. तो मैं आपको पहन के भी बताती हूँ, देखिए कैसा लग रहा है ये वाला फिंगर रिंग. This is unbeatable. You're getting this only for 53,000 rupees, which is a very great deal. Moving ahead towards the second diamond finger ring here, look at this piece and the way this is designed to perfection. At the center you can see a big size diamond, and towards the sides you can see this kind of very small diamonds embedded in the circumference, and then you can see the diamonds here at the side also. The prong setup of the diamond is looking really very nice here, and this is made of a combination of yellow gold and white gold, because of which it is shining even more. It's a very luminous piece is what I can tell you guys. VVS EF है इसकी clarity, and if you are talking about the product specifications, you can see here इसका price यहाँ पर है 62,794 rupees, and you can also see that the diamond's weight here is 0.854 carat approximately, and if we talk about the gross weight, it is 3.760 grams, and the net weight is 3.577 grams. Moving ahead towards the next finger ring here, like you can see, this is made of 18 karat yellow gold, and in the center you can see a square shape which is geometric pattern, and then teardrop patterns are given, and small diamonds are embedded towards the corner made in yellow gold like this. Look at the shine of this beautiful ring, which is shining very brilliantly. And the price of this is just 25,000 rupees. It is unbeatable. It's a really very reasonable price which you guys should definitely explore from Jagdamba Pearl Gold and Diamond. Coming to the product specification, gross weight of this is 1.830 gram, net weight is 1.768 gram, diamond's weight is 0.310 carat. Moving ahead towards the next finger ring is this diamond finger ring, which is in the combination of yellow gold and rose gold. The flowers are made of rose gold here, and in the center you can see small size diamond, which is a solo diamond, and towards the corner you can see the small diamonds embedded in double layer, and this piece is kind of a dual combination in rose gold and also yellow gold, which looks really very nice, made of 18 karat gold. The gross weight of this is 3.290 gram, net weight is 3.220 gram, diamond's weight is 0.350, and the price of this is just 35,000 rupees. Head towards the next finger ring here. It is made of 18 karat white gold. Just look at the way this looks so very royal in white gold. If you're a lover of white gold in metal, then I think you should explore this finger ring. At the center you have a very beautiful precious stone which is in bright color, and towards the sides you have diamonds, and also towards the upper side of it you can see this kind of small diamonds embedded. So चारों तरफ diamonds लगे हुए हैं यहाँ पर, not only towards the center but also upside and down. There is a use of lot of diamonds here, because of which this finger ring is designed and also shining very differently. Coming to the product specifications, the gross weight of this is 4.572 grams, net weight is 4.310 gram, diamonds weight is 0.580 carat approximately. The price of this is around 1 lakh rupees, but if you want to find out the exact prices, please contact the WhatsApp number which is being displayed on the screen. Alright friends, that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed this very beautiful diamond finger rings starting from 18 carat to 22 carat, which are so very beautiful and designer pieces which you can wear for engagement or even gift to your family and friends, which they would definitely like, because the designs are so unique and they are so spectacular that you should definitely explore them. You can also place an order from international country. Now you can just contact the WhatsApp number which is being displayed on the screen to do that from your side. So stay tuned for more videos from our side. Subscribe to the channel, hit on the bell icon, and stay tuned for more videos like this. Until then, take care. Bye bye.